Hello everyone, welcome to Honara's Arts and Lifestyle YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you a Shringar for baby Krishna idol, or we also call it as Laddu Gopal idol. So in today's video, I will be showing you on how to decorate him using the South Indian dhoti which is available, the silk dhoti. This is going to be slightly different kind of alankaram or Shringar that you can do for Laddu Gopal. So just in case if you also want to see and learn on how to do this, then please do not miss to watch this video till the end. And this idol is actually up for sale, just in case if you want to buy it. And this idol is actually 6 inches tall, okay, if you measure it like this, and he weighs about 2 kgs, and the price of this idol is 4100 rupees. So in case if you want to purchase this idol, then please do leave a WhatsApp message on this particular number and they'll get back to you. And yes, we'll be able to ship it anywhere in India and even outside India. And whatever face painting that you're seeing over here on Krishna, it was all done by me. And just to let you know, this idol was actually antique finish, and after washing it has become like yellow. So even you can wash it and make it look like yellow, no problem with that. So you don't have to reject this idol saying that it is not yellow finish and it has got an antique finish. And yes, this Krishna is slightly tilted and it is not exactly like what you get from the ISKCON style idols. It's going to be slightly different from the ISKCON style idols. Now without wasting much time, let me do the Shringar and show to you all on what I am going to do. So the first and the foremost thing when it comes to dressing him is putting a diaper. Okay, so for that I have actually got this very tiny diaper stitched. It's slightly bigger for him, but then he's going to look really cute. And this has got a velcro. This is not for sale, by the way. I just got it done from a local tailor. Okay, so it comes with a velcro and it fits really nicely. So let me just show you on how I fix this for him. So take the back side. Okay, just in case if you also know a tailor, you can just get it done like this. So the back side of the diaper will go from here like this. And take one part of the front, fix the velcro, and the other part of the velcro, fix it from the other side. And that is it. We are done. And now you can see how cute he looks. Right? So you can actually get this done in silk and all, like, you know, whichever color you want and whichever material you want. And this completes the Alankaram or Shringar for Sri Krishna or Laddu Gopal in the South Indian style. So I hope you all have liked this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get automatic notifications every time I release a new video. Thank you.